Okay, so in this video, we will do a simple quick edit of AlderLaw, and let's see if it's already optimized and it's being read properly by Google so that people searching for the right keywords or for the categories in AlderLaw, such as construction accidents, bicycle accidents, are being directed here. So we'll use SEMrush for this one. We can see here that its authority score is just at 20, and there's 1,200 organic search traffic every month. And this is normal for something that's not yet being optimized. We can see transactional keywords here. It's just around 10%, so it would help to get more transactional keywords inserted all over the page, so that say for example Sweetwater Union High School District, there should be a page for this, to if we can confirm that this is a good good keyword for the website. But we'll see here that it's not, because it's just navigational. It's best to go to transactional keywords. So we can see some of these keywords, and these are we'll rank it by traffic or volume. Okay, so these are the keywords where the website is ranking high, but it still doesn't have a lot of search volume. So the best way to do there is to go to the competitions. So what are the keywords that the competitors are ranking high on Google? So we'll check, for example, we'll check ZALawyers.com, and we'll see that on the keywords part, it's ranking high on this competition is also not yet optimized. But let's say for example we go to a employment trial lawyers. So injury, we'll go to keyword overview, and we'll see what is the website, or what is a website where employment trial lawyer ranks high in. So we will see here that it's not a highly searched keyword. So we'll try a lawyer. There you go. We will see here that the trial lawyer has a search volume of 2,400 per month, and that's relatively high. And I believe in this category of legal service, that's already the highest that can be reached. So what can be done here is go to the keyword trial lawyer and make sure that the title here, this is a tool that checks for the SEO of a website, so that when people type for trial lawyer, AlderLaw will most likely appear as the first website. So what can be done here is all these keywords related to trial lawyer should be spread all over. We can see here that the headings are not SEO optimized. This should be H2, could have a trial lawyer keyword here, or here too, about for every 500 words, about 2 keywords. And then the questions also, these can be turned into questions, these keywords, and then inserted all over, so that when people type we already have data that there's a lot of search. 590 people are searching a month on lawyer on trial, and then all these people, if the people typing these keywords, these are all people typing, right? These keywords are redirected here through proper SEO, then that's a lot of search traffic already, and that can lead to, especially if you put an FAQ section here, frequently asked questions, and then you turn these into questions. What Google does is, the algorithm of Google is that those websites that have these keywords on questions, they will appear, Google will present those websites to those people typing for those keywords. So that's the target here. And another thing is, these people also ask keywords on Google. When these questions are inside the website or the landing page, that will be a good indicator. That will also help in ranking that website, because when someone types this, Google will recommend those websites that answer those properly. And if you are the website, if AlderLaw is that website, then Google will present that website as ranked number 1 here. So there's a lot that can be done there in terms of SEO. And if there's I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. If you see this and you want to know more, I am available on Upwork, and this is my profile and some of the clients that I've served lately. And that's it. That's a quick SEO audit of this website. Thank you again for watching.